Hey guys, so this is a quick video on how you can customize the header in Hostinger. So it's nothing really difficult and it's pretty simple. So first you're going to hover over the header. You're going to find here the header. Then you're going to click on it and you're going to find here the option to edit the header. So click on it. First thing, you're going to have the layout that you can change, for example, the element spacing, and you can see like this part here, it moves. Then link spacing. That's another thing. Top and bottom spacing, that's also another thing that you can do. And then you can change the positions of it. You see that? So you can have it like this. Then you're going to find here the elements. For the elements, you can disable or enable what you're going to find in your header. So you have option to show logo or not show it. Show social icons that you're going to find right here. Or you can disable it. I wouldn't really have them in header, to be honest. Show button. And then you can have like show or hide the shopping cart. So these are the things that you can do. Then you're going to have the logo that you can replace image and you can make it bigger or smaller. You see right here. And I can make it bigger and now I'll just change the layout. See? So you can like increase the size of the logo and then you're just gonna change a little bit of layout. And that's how pretty much it works. Then you can have the shopping bag that you can have like icon text, cart, and you can have it like medium or large. And then you're gonna have the style here. So here you're gonna have a style for a header. That what kind of color background you have, that you can make it transparent, therefore what is going to be in the section is going to go through the header. Then you're going to find here the button where you can enable or disable the button, and when you're going to enable it, then you can like edit things here like color, text size, and things like that. And then you're going to find the social icons here that you can enable or disable. So that's for that. Now when we're going to go further, you're going to have the elements and you're going to have the card here. So when I'm going to click here, add an element, that's not going to much use because you can add elements to the header. But one thing that you can do, you can start adding and managing the page and navigation. So let me share with you how that works. First thing first, you have option to move things. I will show you. When you're going to move it in the navigation, it's going to move right here. Do you see that? So let's say I want to have contact in the beginning. Then what you have the option, you can have a navigation link. And what it means is that you can move it like this, the sub page. Do you see that? That I'm going to hide everything under contact. I'm just moving it. But here's the thing. So the first thing is that when you're going to hover over contact, you can still click it and get there. But if you want to have a drop down menu, but you don't want to have it as a page, then right here on the bottom, you're going to find add a new drop down. Click on it. Now I'm going to name the drop down. Let's say this can be a shop. Or like here, wait a second. Pages, rename, shop. And now let's say I'm going to have a new page, which are going to be online store. And I'm going to click this thing here, which is going to be named in navigation is going to be products. And then I'm going to move it under shop. So right now you see that nothing happens when I click on the shop, but something happens when I click on the contact. Because the shop is a drop-down menu, it's not a page. And then when I hover over shop, I'm going to find the products here. Okay, you got that, right? Now the next thing is that when you're going to be in the main navigation and you are going to find here the shop products, but let's say you don't want to have this page here, but you still want to have it on the site, but you don't want to have that page in navigation. Therefore, you have to grab it and move it here to hidden from navigation. Do you see that? And then you can also add a link, but that's like you are adding a link that links somewhere on the site. That's pretty much it for the new link. So that's pretty much it about the header and how you can work with it. These are all the important basics that you need to know. When you are going to add a page on the bottom left, there you're going to choose what kind of page you want to add. And that's what you can do. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helped you at least a little bit. And have a great day and goodbye.